No. Yes, the party leader of the United Democratic Party in Ndabu. Amina Juma Salokiran Jamanjel. Amina Juma Salokiran Jamanjel. Another entire delegation of Nobe. You know. Somebody bum. Abayam University. I don't know. No, I don't know about him. Maybe Allah even my good. Allah my good, yeah. Maybe you can go see that.
No, look at the Mongol. I don't know. Get the
maybe you have to try following. Try following. I'll one phone la use la in I'll one phone la use
in the time ko mo ke try ko ni ka de ko ko ta ni set video la ke ben
article hota is la de al baad is la al baad check la ide set video ni ko ta la ando tra na So guys, inshallah, we will stop now until football season. Inshallah, we will bring you live what is happening right here in Jamanjeli. When I follow His Excellency Allah Oshimudan, we will not Jamanjeli right now. So inshallah, we will update you. But update la inshallah.